The Chinese economic miracle has grabbed global attention for a while now. The country has hit its growth targets for 14 out of the last 15 years, and the one time they missed it was by 0.1%. It seems almost too good to be true. So what if it isn't true? Some observers are starting to wake up to the fact that they may have been duped by the official bean counters in Beijing. Now, we already know that the Chinese economy is in the midst of a slowdown. The country's main stock market index took a 30% plunge in June and July last year. Industrial production has dropped, and so have retail sales. Official growth numbers, however, have remained uncannily stable since 2012. So what if the entire premise of a Chinese growth miracle is flawed? You see, the problem with measuring the size of the Chinese economy is that in terms of hard data, you pretty much have to take the government's word for it. And sometimes their word isn't worth much. In 2013, one under-pressure Communist Party official admitted that he had more than doubled the actual growth figures for his county, while another claimed that the investment figures for his province were inflated by 20%. Meh. What's $15.7 billion between friends? Oh, and thanks to good old WikiLeaks, we now know that one of China's most senior leaders, Li Keqiang, has privately admitted that the GDP figures were man-made and, quote, all other figures, especially GDP statistics, are for reference only, he said, smiling, according to the cable. In fact, he himself apparently uses another method to measure his country's economic performance. And according to that unofficial Li Keqiang index, China's growth has more than halved since 2013. So look, this isn't a Western or anti-Chinese conspiracy. They're saying it themselves. And nobody's questioning the fact that the Chinese economy has been booming over the past few decades, or that poverty has been slashed. But it now seems pretty obvious they've also been fiddling a lot of the figures along the way. So next time you hear the Chinese dragon has yet again been slaying all of its economic targets, maybe think myth, not miracle.